Welcome to our series of videos looking at getting started in Plottr and navigating your account. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on the Plottr website so you can access your file downloads, license keys, purchase history, and more. So from the Plottr homepage, there's two ways you can log into your account. The first is if you scroll to the bottom. Under Helpful Links, there's a link to log in. And the second way is at the top of the page to simply click on the login icon. So we'll do that. If you aren't already logged into Plottr, it will bring you to the login page here. And here you can enter your email address and password. So here, you'll enter the email address that you first used when you signed up for Plottr. Then you can enter your password. If this is a new account, you'll receive an automatically generated password by email, or if you reset your password at any time, you can enter that now. And if you forgot your password, we will go into how to reset it in a future video. And then simply click Login. And now you're in your account section, which we'll explore a little more in future videos. So that covers our introduction for how to log into your account. If you found this information useful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest information and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.